Hi, today I'm for the Phoenix Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings application and then tap the wallpaper section. So here we'll see the wallpapers. This is the online wallpapers. You can use them if you are connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Also, if you want to use the default wallpapers or photos from your device gallery, you should switch wallpapers to profile. Tap here to wallpapers section, and here you'll see the default wallpapers on your device. Also, you can use here to this plus icon, tap below and select the photo from your device gallery from previously taken photos on your device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also the Google Photos and just another photos. For example, let's use one from these available wallpapers. You can tap here to preview. After that, just click to apply, set as lock screen. If you want to turn on the wallpaper carousel, you can do that. You can click here to agree or to don't agree. I just want to set only this wallpaper, so we can see the message that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. Let's check it, and as you can see, we just successfully changed it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the empty space on your home screen, then on the left down corner tap the wallpaper icon, and by the same way, let's just now use one from these online wallpapers. For example, I'll use this one. Click apply, set as lock screen, carousel, don't agree, lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.